Advanced Primary and Behavioral Health, the EKU School of Nursing, and the Madison County Health Department are hosting 2 local walk-in COVID-19 vaccination clinics and providing free at-home COVID-19 test kits while supplies last. Limit 2 kits per household, please. There is no obligation to receive a vaccination to receive an at-home COVID-19 test kit. The clinics and test kit distribution will be held Tuesday, February 1st at the Madison County Health Department location on Boggs Lane in Richmond, and Thursday, February 3rd at the Madison County Health Department location at Ace Drive in Berea. Hours are from 9 a.m. to noon and 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. both days. In addition to COVID-19 vaccines, many other free services will be available at the event. Questions? Call 623-7312 for more information.